Hello everyone, I am Yaswanth Kumar and I am currently studying my degree in Saveetha Engineering College under the Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Today I am going to do a video presentation on implementation of k-means clustering for customer segmentation. In this presentation, I will explain how the k-means clustering algorithm can be used to group customers based on their annual income and spending score. This helps business understand their customer patterns and make better marketing decisions. Now let's begin with a brief introduction to k-means clustering. K-means is one of the most widely used supervised machine learning algorithms. The main goal of this algorithm is to divide a dataset into different groups called clusters, and where each cluster contains data points and similar to each other. Now let us move on to the code implementation. First, I have imported all the required Python libraries, pandas and numpy for data handling, map for library for visualization, and k-means for from scikit-learn the cluster for applying the k-means algorithm. Then I loaded the dataset using pd.read underscore csv function. Here the dataset is small underscore customer. It contains information like customer ID, gender, age, annual income, and spending score. Next, data visualization. Before applying the clustering, I visualize the data using a scatter plot. The x-axis represents the annual income and y-axis represents the spending score. From the plot, we can see how customers are distributed based on how much they earn and how much they spend. However, it is not easy to identify a distinct group just like looking at that. So here is a k-means that helps us. Now we want to apply the k-means algorithm. Next, we apply the k-means algorithm with k is equal to 5, meaning I want to divide the customers into 5 groups. After fitting the model, I extracted the centroids and labels. Centroids is equal to k-means to cluster underscore centers, and labels is equal to k-means to labels underscore. The centroid are the central points of each cluster, and the labels indicate which cluster each customer belongs to. Now to visualize the result, I plotted each cluster in a different color. Each color represents a separate group of customers who share similar income and spending habits. I also drew a circle around each cluster to show their boundaries more clearly. Finally, I plotted the centroids in a black color to represent the centers of each group. Here, the Python code says that plt.scatter centroids, marker is equal to O, s equal to 200, and color equal to k, and label equal to centroids. Now we will go for the output explanation. Let's look at the output. The scatter plot shows the 5 distinct clusters of customers. One cluster represents the customers with low income and low spending score who might be a budget concession. Another group has a high income but low spending, meaning they earn well but spend less, very careful spenders. One cluster lies around the average income and average spending, representing the regular customers. Another cluster shows high income and high spending customers. They are likely to premium or loyal customers. And finally, one group has a low income but high spending, probably impulsive buyers. The black dots, the black dots on the plot are the choice which indicate the center or average location. We implemented the k-means clustering using the Python. We used the annual income and spending score to divide the customers into 5 meaningful groups. Each cluster provides a valuable insight into different types of customers, helping business plan and targeted marketing strategies. For example, a mall or a retail store can identify high-value customers, offer a personalized deals, and improve overall customer satisfaction. This project shows how machine learning can be applied in a real world to make a data-driven business decisions. Thank you all for watching my presentation once again. Thank you.